This song is called The Recessions of Life. In a journey we encounter such trials like roses and thorns, which mean woman and pain as we face the recessions of life. We pray that we have strength to climb the ladder of success, because life is what we make it as we try to make it worthwhile. Yeah. As we live, life journey has a pain, but it turns pain into gain, and no longer unseen, the scars became stars. Like the other sense that does is more tame, but do the same. What will read but the dawn that goes in prayer. As we knew, life journey has a pain, but it turned pain into gain. The scars became stars. We pray that we have strength to climb the ladder of success, because life is what we make it as we try to make it worthwhile. As we knew, life's journey has a pain, but it turned pain into gain, and no longer unseen, the scars became stars. The recession